Hello, Pal here. I got a package in the mail today, and so I thought maybe you'd like to see what I got. This is a retired Jellycat that I purchased from somebody on eBay, and I just thought it was so cute, and I love puppies and dogs, plushies, so I got these. It's Henry Hound. It's a little doggy. Cute. They said it was in excellent condition, and so we'll see here. I gotta speculate it. It has such a long tail for a dog. I noticed that in the pictures, and what dog has long tail? But it's cute. This is Henry Hound, and he is in very good condition. He doesn't seem like he's been played with. He's very soft, and he's so cute. He's got a long snout, and he's got his little feet. And of course, his tail. His tail is kind of weird, but it's cute. And he's got the cute little ears. And these cute little eyes. And his suede nose. This is like sweetest. And there he is. Underneath. Very cute. Very cute little puppy. I also, like maybe 2 weeks ago, I got this one as well. And this is Dashing, the small Dashing puppy. And this one is so cute too. I thought I didn't unbox, I didn't take a video of me unboxing him. I forgot. He's so cute. This one was in really, really excellent condition. This one is retired as well, and I bought it pre-owned on eBay. And I didn't pay that much for these. Probably a little bit more than what they retailed for when they, not much more. This one is so cute too. I got the two doggies. And those are they're about the same size, except one has a big, longer snout. I love the brown color. His eyes are a little bit, he's got like eyebrows or something. He's got like a little eyebrow kind of covering his eyeballs a little bit. He's very cute though, very cute. So, I got the little puppies, and the other little puppies. I kind of like these ones that lay down. They're in a laying position. They're so cute. So soft. Anyway, I thought I would show you that. And I have some more Jellycats coming. Probably next week. So watch out. I'll have more videos unboxing those. But for now, TTFN. Thanks for watching. Bye.